I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports Resort Golf. We will cover the essential techniques to get you started on the virtual greens. You will learn how to hold the Wii remote, execute a basic swing, and understand the core mechanics of the game. Our goal is to help you enjoy every round and improve your scores from your very first tee off. We will guide you through the initial steps, ensuring a smooth introduction to this engaging golf experience. To perfect your swing, hold the Wii remote firmly, mimicking a real golf club. Begin your backswing by raising the remote slowly and smoothly, ensuring a controlled motion. As you swing forward, maintain a steady pace and follow through completely. This consistent motion helps generate maximum power and accuracy. Remember, a smooth, fluid swing is far more effective than a jerky, forceful one, leading to better shots every time. Strategic play is key to lower scores. Always select the appropriate club for the distance, considering factors like wind speed and elevation. Use the on-screen minimap to visualize the hole and plan your shots effectively. For shorter distances, mastering your putting touch is crucial. A gentle, controlled stroke can save you many strokes. Thinking ahead by 2 or 3 shots will significantly improve your overall game. For advanced play, experiment with spin control by subtly twisting the remote during your swing, allowing you to shape shots. Practice hitting fades and draws to navigate around obstacles or reach difficult pin positions. Consistent practice on the driving range is essential for refining your technique and building muscle memory. Challenging friends in competitive rounds will also sharpen your skills and strategic thinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.